So we proceed now with the technical factors to determine if the field is well centered. We need to measure the
malakas. So sit up straight with your chin tilted slightly up and open out. Take a slow deep breath.
But for our next speaker, he's a diplomate of Philippine Board of Rehabilitation in Medicine, also a fellow of Philippine Academy of Rehabilitation in Medicine. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Dr. Christopher P. Dales.
For most strength training exercises, the golden rule is to exhale on exertion.
Siguro earlier natin i-plan, sir. Tapos earlier na rin po i-request para.
Sabi. No, yeah. Hindi pwede siya.
Opo.
Nabisa ko sa kayo dala ko. Sorry po. Ikaw yung ikaw kasama mo ba? Wala. Wala. Sunod ba?
Nag-extract ng PRP.
Yung nurse namin.
Nurse yun eh.
Nurse namin po.
Magaling.
Magaling si sir. Kasi ang ginagawa niya dati, nagugluto daw siya sa mga friends niya. Hindi ba butterfly ang gamit niya?
Oo, so magaling.
Magaling.
Gluten. Kaya,
Kasi tapos pag di niya kaya, pinapakit ko yung medtech.
bigyan mo na lang.
Binibigyan ko na, pinapamerienda ko na lang sila. BG ako gumagawa, sir. Di kaya.
Nasa BG?
Di kaya. Dun sa kabila, maliit yung space ko. Sa clinic ko.
Being the youngest member of
Farmer North.
Okay, please raise your right hand and follow after me. So help me God. Okay, congratulations.
Yay! Incoming secretary.
So welcome, Dr. Ben Paolo Rabara. He graduated from Philippine Orthopedic Center this January 2024. Hospital affiliations, Mariano Marcos Memorial Hospital Medical Center, Metro Vegan Hospital, Northside Doctors Hospital, and Rabara Clinic and Hospital. May I call on our President, Dr. Mildred Gimpayan, for the rules and regulations.
Nansel Rivera.
yes, sir.
Oo, malapit sa clinic ilan yung Chris sa Manalos.
Good standing. Tapos pwede rin po natin gawing kahit sa fellows, no? Para at least may na nakikita-kita tayo per year. Yun lang po. Okay, then. Good night. Joke lang. Doc? Hindi, Doc. Hindi na po. Wala tayong democracy, Doc. Democracy, Doc.
Pero kung ito ba yung president ng North, Far North Luzon, hindi ba naman, ay, hindi ba? parang North Luzon. Sabi namin, ano natin natin sa pera ko? Well, we can do we really need the money? We don't need it. So why? Why ask for registry? Be a member of Farming North Luzon. Yan, may fee, annual, whatever. Gusto niyo ba? Okay lang sa akin, pero
Doc Mitch, kamusta ang ating conference ba to? Workshop
Pakiantay na lang po yung aking post-evaluation sa online.
online? How would you say is the success rate of our activity?
Of course, very successful. Huh? Congratulations, Mildred and Baguio Pips.
Attendee lang ako. Ano lang ako, photographer lang.
Photographer.
Successful yung photography ko. And documentation.
Siyempre, yung mga Baguio Pips na nag-coordinate, i-mention na natin si Teresa Ting, di ba? Oh, very accommodating. Kasi nag-interview siya daw, oh.
Oo. Nag-interview ako para masama natin sa ating documentation.
And then, ayun yung nagsasign doon. Interviewin mo.
Yung ating speaker, one of our guest speakers,
Ano bang tanong?
the one and only
Yes.
Dr. Ana Chango.
Yes, thank you for the warm accommodation.
Yeah.
Warm.
We hope to invite you again sometime soon.
Sure. Sexual rehab daw ang susunod na topic. By popular demand.
So, any thoughts on
English talaga.
our ongoing workshop and training?
I think this is a good venue to empower our medical and paramedical colleagues, especially in the field of cardiopulmonary rehabilitation. Since ano na ba siya, parang may mga apex hospitals na no, na natatag for this subspecial. So this is a good move from Farm North and sana masundan niyo.
Matanong ko lang, how many times have you been doing this already?
This is the second time that we rerun this course. The first one was in Tuguegarao, organized by Dr. Mitch Jacinto.
Last year yan, di ba?
Last year, June. So that time, dalawa pa lang kami ni Dr. Chris na speaker. So at least na-influence namin si Dr. Manu to be interested in the
Coming up with this program.
sa topic. So kaya naka-recruit kami ng additional speaker. So hopefully sa next na run nitong course, mag-lecture na rin si Dr. Jacinto.
may core group na tayo, may create na tayo ng core group.
Yes, oo, tama yan. At saka may mga plans na kami for the next run through ng course.
Ano na? Across the nation na.
Bigyan na kami ng oscillating test.
Ay, ganun
For
ba?
demo.
Tsaka across the nation na. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao.
Sana kung matutuloy mo ang Mindanao yung susunod.
Oh, good. Tapos doktora, maganda yung slides mo about yung sa program ng cardiac rehab Kumbaga nandun nakalagay kung ano yung mga steps.
Kunin mo na rin
Yes.
sama na natin si Leo.
Is that ano ba? Open ba yan na shareable ba yan na no?
Yes. I'll be sending my slides to Dr. Mildred.
Akong ginawa ko noon, nag-prepare ako ng USB na nandun na lahat yung mga... Kasi kakailanganin nyo yung i-upload sa PRC.
How supportive is PGH dito sa inyong
Actually, supportive naman sila. Kasi pinapatrain nila actually si Manu.
Oh, good.
Para magkaroon ng more exposure on cardiopulmonary rehabilitation.
Pinapatrain nila si Manu kasi ayaw nila sa mga dati nang nag-train.
Hindi, saan bang training yan? Kunya si Chris sa Korea, South Korea.
Yeah, nag-carb siya.
Pag cardio, saan ba?
Meron naman, you can attend naman yung mga 1 week na seminar and conventions.
Pero wala pang
Si Chris,
program.
nag-carb din siya. Yung carb
Heart
ni
center.
Chris, yung carb ni Chris is cardiopulmo. Pero locally, Heart Center is offering a 2-week observership for cardiac rehab. And then ang lung center, gumawa na rin sila place ng 2 weeks for pulmo rehab. So may local naman na, hindi mo na kailangan lumabas to train.
Kung gusto ko lumabas.
Gusto mong mamasyal.
South Korea.
Korea.
South Korea ang pinaka-accessible through car.
Oo. Kasi kumbaga silang
North Korea.
silang may medyo may solid program for cardiac rehab
I
and
think si Dr.
pulmonary rehab.
Mojica is Japan. Japan siya nag-train.
Cardiac rehab.
Cardiac rehab.
Anong joke mo? Anong joke mo? Pa kay ano?
Yun kasi naalala ko, ever since yung pre-res po ako.
Grabe yung ginagamit niya.
Nung first year ako, yung postgrad, ay yung series of before postgrad kasi di ba meron kaming maiikli. Tapos yung sexual rehab, yun tumatak sa akin.
Kaya, Tere, nadidinig mo yung kanilang need for more manpower to be resource speaker?
Dok, di ako magaling
ng topic.
Oo.
Ano na lang ako, logistics lang ako.
Si Mano ina-harness pa. And then kasama na namin si Doc Mitch.
Si Mitch ang road manager.
Siya yung taga-book ng ano, siya yung booking, may booking namin.
Totoo ba? Totoo?
Kaya naka-record. Hey, wait. Dito to. Thank you, sir, sa pag-sponsor.
Sa uulitin.
Habit C.
So far,
May bagong model ngayon na package
yung 3.
EJI.
Yung
Kasi galing
small
gumagano,
packet 3.
gumagano yung monitor niya, no?
Kamusta ang event?
Kaya, very thankful kami doon. Na-invite kami to be one of the sponsor dito sa Farm North Luzon chapter.
Makaasa pa kami sa inyo.
Definitely, ano. Lalo na yung partnership natin at magtuloy-tuloy.
Ayan, mag-record na. Yeah. Sige, sila dito tayo magandang view na. Ikaw. Oh, you are the woman of the hour. The queen of the north.
Today,
For the year.
for the year. Okay.
The queen of Farm North 2020.
24.
Ito pa ganito.
2024 to 2025.
Yes. So we just are currently on our second day of our cardiopulmo workshop.
Last 2 hours and 40 minutes.
Oh, good. And as the president and the initiator of this event, ano ang thoughts mo on the whole activity natin?
My thoughts. Well, of course, I'm very happy kasi marami yung turnout, maraming participants. From an initial of expected na 60 participants, nagdoble yung number. And then, yung speakers natin, of course naman, they are very well versed dun sa cardiopulmonary workshop kasi they have been doing this sa iba't ibang institutions natin.
Sino? Meron ba? Si Doc. Magkano sabi ni ano kanina, second time pa lang daw.
Second time.
Second time
here
na
in-
Chris.
Oo.
Pero sa Manila may gumagawa na ba?
Sa Manila, it's purely in lung center.
Talaga. Hello.
Hello, Dr. Jolene. Ayan.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
And we hope to have more activities spearheaded by our Farm North president.
November.
Sa November yung next
Yes,
natin.
November yung next natin.
So after nung mid-year natin this August ba September? August. So
And then November.
November na. For Farm North. For Farm North.
Farm North. Kanorth. Sabi ni Doc.
Mang Kanor.
Mga Kanorth.
Mga Kanor. Parang Mang Kanor eh.
Mga Kanorth. Mga Kanorth. Halika,
Okay.
Dr. Jolene.
Any last messages for our viewers and our members?
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Ang dami niyong contraction, ha? Mm-hmm.